June 30th, 2025. I'm here at Dodgers Lake. This is crowning glory. I went ahead and I tied off your starboard prop to the strut to where it doesn't blow off when you're transporting your vehicle. I was under the impression that you were going to be using your port prop to navigate the boat, to get it to where they can take off the prop or put on the nuts for you. So let's go ahead and I'll show you how I tied it. At several spots wrapped around the strut for you, just to reinforce it from falling off. Thank you for choosing DS Dive.